Today I am going to show some cool words called homograph. These words are that look same but different meaning and different sound. Let's get started. First is a tear. If we said tear means in Marathi ashru, and second image is a tear. If we say tear means in Marathi tear म्हणजे फाडतो. And our second word is a minute. Minute means a clock showing us time. In Marathi minta. And second is a mighty. Minute. In Marathi छोटे किंवा लहान. Start is a resume. In Marathi, if we said resume, person will give his documents and data. And our second image is a resume. Person will start blank work. And our fourth word is refuse. And if we say refuse means person said no. And second is a refuse means person garbage cans. Thank you. Watch video, like and subscribe.